Hey guys, welcome to Tony's How To's. In this video, I will show you how to know Facebook password when logged in. So when you're actually wondering if you could actually get your password while you still log in Facebook, well, currently that will not be possible, because if you have a feature that actually shows your password while you still log in, then that would actually compromise your account. Other people will be able to see your password while you're still logged in, and when you actually log out from this account, you will be able they will be able to access your account if you're still logged in another device. So it's really a hazard for your account, so they don't have that feature wherein you'll be able to see your password while still logged in. But hopefully there's actually a third party or a workaround for this one. So the workaround for this one is if you frequently use your account on your device or in your personal mobile device, then there's a high chance that your password is actually being saved by your Google account. So if you're using your Google account in conjecture with your Facebook account, then there's a high possibility that Google actually saved your account. So from here, let's just exit this one. So there's two ways for you to access your password via Google. So the first way is via your settings. So just go to settings here, open up settings, and what you need to do is you want to look for Google. So Google is usually located at the bottom of settings, and just click on Google. Now in this section, you'll have a few options to do here. But what we need to do is we want to click on manage your Google account. Now in here, what we need to do is we want to scroll over into the top section there, and you want to go to security. Now here, what you need to do is you want to scroll down a bit until you see this section that actually says password manager. So just click on that. And from here, as you can see, I have my Facebook account saved in my Google account here. Now for you to see your password, just click on your facebook.com section there. And it's going to ask for your PIN or for your fingerprint here. So just enter that. And from here, you should be able to see your details. So for you to view your password, just click on the eye icon there and you'll be able to view your password. Now, another way for you to access your password manager is you want to go ahead and open up Google Chrome. Now in here, the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and go to the top right of your screen. That's where the three dotted icon is. And from here, you want to go to settings. Now under settings, immediately you'll be able to see the section that says password manager. So just click on that. And from here, as you can see, this is the previous UI that we were able to view. Just click on Facebook again, and you should be able to enter your PIN or to confirm your identity here or your fingerprint. And from here, same thing, just click on the eye icon and you'll be able to see your password. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, you could use the link in the description to subscribe. See you in the next video.